Welcome to our thorough analysis of Buddi, a personal finance and budgeting app. Buddi is a simple yet powerful tool designed to help you manage your finances. It allows you to track your income, expenses, and create budgets in a user-friendly interface. It's an open source software and available for different platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Buddy offers several unique features. It has the ability to track multiple accounts, categorize transactions, and create detailed reports. The software also allows you to create budgets and compare them with actual expenses. Plus, it has a feature to schedule recurring transactions. Buddy is encrypted and password protected to ensure your financial data is secure. One of the best things about Buddy is its pricing. It's entirely free. Being an open source software, it allows the community to contribute to its development. This means you can use all its features without any restrictions or hidden costs. It's a great option for those who are looking for budgeting tools but don't want to spend extra money. Buddy is ideal for individuals who want a simple way to manage their personal finances. It's particularly useful for those who want to create and stick to a budget. It's also a good fit for people who want to track their expenses and understand where their money goes. Buddy is also suitable for those who prefer open source software and appreciate community-driven development. Buddy has several advantages. It's free, easy to use, and offers robust budgeting features. The software provides a comprehensive overview of your financial status. It allows you to categorize the transactions, which can help you understand your spending habits better. Plus, being an open source software, it's continually improved by the developer community. Despite its benefits, Buddy has some limitations. It lacks some advanced features like investment tracking and bill reminders. It also doesn't have a mobile app, which can be a drawback for those who prefer managing their finances on the go. Additionally, Buddy requires manual data entry, which can be time-consuming. In conclusion, Buddy is a solid personal finance tool, particularly for budgeting. It's free, user-friendly, and offers a good range of features. However, it might not be the best fit for those who need advanced features or prefer a mobile app. Despite its limitations, Buddy's simplicity and cost-effectiveness make it a valuable tool for personal finance management. Thank you for watching our video on Buddy. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech reviews and analysis. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.